कॉलेज से। आज डिपार्टमेंट के हिसाब से फर्स्ट पीयू कॉलेज का रीओपनिंग डे है और आज के दिन को बच्चों के दिलों में यादगार बनाने के लिए हमने एक छोटा सा सरप्राइज़ प्लान किया है, जिसमें हमने सेल्फी स्टैंड बनाया है बच्चों के लिए और हर रूम में हमने डेकोरेट किया है ताकि बच्चे इस दिन को याद रखें और अच्छे से रोज़ कॉलेज को आए और कभी एब्सेंट ना हो इंशाल्लाह। सेल्फी स्टैंड के पास ले चलते हैं। तो ये हमने बच्चों के लिए बनाया है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा, उनके पहले दिन को यादगार बनाने के लिए, so that children can stand here, take pictures and make this day a memorable one in their life. Dear parents, मैं आप सबसे गुजारिश करती हूँ, एडमिशन्स ऑलरेडी ओपन फॉर फर्स्ट पीयूसी और लिमिटेड सीट्स हैं, फिल हो जा रहे हैं, जल्दी कीजिए, आइए एप्लीकेशन ले लीजिए, एडमिशन प्रोसेस को जल्दी ख़त्म करके ऑलरेडी कॉलेज आज से शुरू हो चुके हैं, जितनी जल्दी हो सके अपने बच्चों का दाखिला अच्छी तरबियत के लिए हमारे पास जमा करें।
We had two libraries. This one is digital library. On fourth floor we had reference library. Okay. We had two softwares, EasyLip software and Infinite software. For an EasyLip software, we do circulation work. For an Infinite software, you can access e-resources. E-resources means e-journals and e-books. Through your password and email ID, you can read those books through online. Okay, we are getting magazines like India Today, Competition Success, Islamic Wise, Janapada, etc. And we are getting 5 papers. Okay, Deccan Herald, Vijayavani, Salad, Sahara, and News Trade. Okay, we have Indian journals available. Indian Journal of Marketing, Indian Journal of Management, Indian Journal of Economics, kind of. Okay, you will get question papers also. Whatever you want, you can take and read it. Okay, no problem.
आपका नाम?
हुस्ना बानो।
जी, आपने बीटी कॉलेज में दाखिला लिया है।
हाँ, BT college is such a good place where I can gain my knowledge more. I have visited everything. Alhamdulillah, it's very best and best. See, I have visited many like sports. I like to do sports more. I am good in sports. Alhamdulillah, day by day I like to do computers. Even computers are good. Many aquarium and many things are here. I visited everything. MashaAllah, this is best and best college. I feel it's like that. And speaking in front of everyone is good. And I like to do presentation. Then even our principal teacher, she is very humble, kind, and I love my principal teacher. I think she is supporting me day by day. Thank for my principal teacher and many teachers. Now I'm visiting. My teachers will be best for me and good guidance. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Zoya. I study from Royal Concord School and I have come over here because my parents actually think that this school is the best place for studying and after the dunya stuff. So basically I'm here for this and the studies are good too. The results are here very nice, absolutely. And then there are many things over here which we can enjoy, we can learn and have fun together. I hope we have a great journey ahead. Thank you.